Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys and my friends. How are you? Today I am coming with some different news. In Pakistan, you can see that Urdu is primary language and office language, national language, but the reality is totally different. In the offices, English is talk and communication language in English. So recently in the National Assembly some problems is created. What impact in Parliament Urdu in Parliament? So as per the constitution, Urdu is the national language, sadly. However, English is used as the medium of communication by the National Assembly speakers during official sessions. A very good example is that of a recently held session where the Prime Minister earned the vote of confidence, during which the speaker read the proceedings and the agenda in English instead of Urdu. It was indeed disappointing. Nelson Mandela said, "If you talk to a man in a language he understood, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart." So we should give it a try and we decide how to deal with in offices, Urdu or English language. So okay, bye bye, take care.